it's your girl Ami Bani. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I apply my ginger oil on my cornrows. This is a continuation from my previous video, DIY ginger oil, do it yourself. First I had to wet my hair, which is very important. Next I will be pouring some amount of oil into the cap of my ginger oil bottle. I would have used the bottle of my dropper, but I already had another type of oil inside of it. Now I'm going to make use of my dropper in applying the oil directly to my scalp. Despite having a huge new hair growth, I prefer making use of the dropper bottle whenever my hair is braided or on cornrow because it dispenses little amount of oil. You know, as a boss babe on a budget, every penny needs to be spent and used wisely. But I go for an indicator bottle whenever I loosen my hair because it dispenses a larger amount of oil, which is okay when I'm doing an hot oil treatment. So you can use an indicator bottle if that's what you can lay your hands on, because it's controllable. Following this will be massaging of my scalp in order to help the oil penetrate into the hair follicle. This process will be repeated on every other cornrow. Guys, ginger has a whole lot of benefits on our health, skin and hair. Focusing on our hair, it increases scalp circulation, which results to the flow of blood to the scalp, stimulating the hair follicles, thereby encouraging new hair growth. Also, ginger has antiseptic properties, which helps in getting rid of dandruff and so much more benefits. My edges can't be left out. It also needs this holy grail oil treatment so as to leave it healthy and strong. We often manipulate our edges when styling with the edge control gel hairsprays that contains various kinds of chemicals and alcohol that might likely be unhealthy to our edges. Yes, it looks beautiful laying those edges, but please do minimize the rate at which it's being done. I will also apply some to the back of my hair. Okay, my hair is looking old because it's 2 weeks old. And I would massage. Also would apply to the tips of my hair in order to avoid any breakage. Then I tuck it back in. Lastly, as usual, I'll cover my hair with a plastic bag and wrap it up with a satin scarf or a satin bonnet, any one you have around you, then leave it for about 30 to 45 minutes. And here's what my hair looks like. I'm having some tingling feeling and my hair feels soft. You can do this as a night routine. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.